Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's summertime, it's hot outside, so what would be the best thing to have to cool down a little bit? Right, it's ice cream. So today I want to show you a really simple recipe how to make an ice cream without an ice cream maker, without very complicated ingredients, and how to have it very quickly done as well in case you expect guests or children around, or you just need to cool down really quick. So let's have a look for the ingredients and let's get started. For a delicious vanilla parfait, you need 60 gram egg yolk, 100 gram sugar, 100 gram milk, vanilla essence, and 180 gram whipped cream. It is easy to double or triple this recipe. Beat the egg yolks together with 60 gram sugar with high speed until creamy. Pour the milk in a cooking pot on the stove and add vanilla essence and the rest of the sugar. Stir everything and bring it quickly to boil. Then let it cool down for a moment. Add the egg mixture to the milk in the cooking pot and heat on low flame. Do not stop stirring until the mixture has reached 85 degrees Celsius. Do not go over as the eggs will start curling. While the egg, milk, sugar mixture is cooling down, start whipping the cream until it is stiff. Now add the whipped cream to the mixture in the cooking pot and fold carefully with a spatula until no more streams of whipped cream can be seen. Line a baking or bread pan with parchment paper and fill the mixture into the pan. Then place the pan for a couple of hours in the freezer. So technically our ice cream is a parfait. That means it is frozen whipped cream with a beautiful flavor. It has been now in the freezer for a couple of hours, and now let's check how it looks like and much more importantly, how it tastes. Vanilla parfait goes beautifully together with the chocolate, nuts, honey, and of course fresh fruit of the season. Take it from the freezer a couple of minutes before serving so it has a nicer texture and a more intense taste. And now let's have a look how it tastes. Really good. Love it. I hope you will enjoy your parfait as well. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and see you next time.